Have you ever thought about how many video formats are there? MP4 AVI MOV. These are just a few we use every day. But did you know there are over 100 different video formats out there? With so many options, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Each format has its own strength and weakness when it comes to quality and file size. Whether you are a video creator looking to perfect your craft or just curious about the tech behind your favorite videos, this video will be your perfect guide to understand these. Before diving into each format, it's essential to understand how are these formats made. The knowledge of these formats is linked with the term called a container. Think of the container as a digital box that holds all the files needed to play the video, like audio, video, subtitles, and metadata. You may already be aware of these three components, but metadata might be new to you. Metadata contains additional information about the video file, like the title, author, creation date, and technical details such as resolution and frame rate. This keeps your media files organized. These video files are encoded and decoded by a technology called a codec. The term codec is derived from coder decoder. Codecs encode analog signals into digital signals and decode digital signals back into analog form for playback. Additionally, codecs compress and decompress video files, making them easier to store and transmit while preserving quality. Common examples of codecs include H.264, H.265, AAC, and VP9. Let's begin with understanding popular video format MP4. MP4 stands for MPEG-4. It's a popular format used for storing videos. It is considered as most versatile video format as it provides high quality videos with relatively small size. It's almost compatible with every device, whether it's Mac, Windows, or Android. One of the salient features of this format is lossless compression, which means video quality doesn't fall even after multiple editing and file saving. That's why YouTube videos and smart food recordings prefer MP4 format. Portable media players which play videos are also advertised as MP4 player. The common codecs that MP4 use are H.264 and H.265. MP4 is most used format in the world. By the way, tell us in comments which video format you prefer for your video making. AVI. AVI is another video format developed by Microsoft in 1992. It stands for Audio Video Interleave. This format is not considered ideal for streaming or internet uploading. However, if it is for storage purposes, it is widely used for this purpose as it supports a wide range of codecs than MP4. MOV. MOV was a video format developed by Apple, and at that time it was just used by Apple's QuickTime video player. But nowadays it's more than just an Apple compatible video format. This format doesn't compromise in quality and delivers high quality videos. But due to large size of videos and with the limitation that not all video players can play this format, it is not widely used as other formats. MKV. MKV is an open source video format. Open source means any program whose source code is made available to users so that they can modify or study it. In one video, I discussed that PowerShell was an open source software and its source code is available on GitHub. Similarly, the source code for MKV is also available on GitHub. Being open source, this format is used only by emerging content creators. WebM. WebM format is sponsored by Google as an alternative to HTML5. This format is used by web developers to easily add videos to their web page. The WebM format is supported by a wide range of media players including VLC player, MPlayer, K multimedia player as well as all web browsers. Chrome OS screen recording are also saved as WebM files. The common image format WebP is considered the sister project of WebM. These 5 video formats are one that almost everyone uses. There are still many formats including FLV, WMV, which I think that no one has ever listened about and maybe we will cover it some other day. However, after understanding these 5 formats, just drop a comment about which video format you would prefer. By the way, there's another video in which I have differentiated between common image formats PNG and JPEG. And to watch that video, just click on the screen. I will be there. Make sure to subscribe the channel and thumbs up for the video. Thanks.